Well, I don't know what you're looking for.
Something how was to listen to me. Tornado sirens sick. Dad, you know, listen to me and I before tornado sirens. I possibly listen to for the expressionless. Oh no, possibly listen to what's going on in 2001 and something wrong we could get sick or listen to me for they listen to me and then there's reason they get smoke or some reason what's going on before.
This is Big Brother.
Somehow
I am always
then
watching.
we did that before, not today.
Yeah.
We did that before. Then that place is out to 2001 and some reason then the first people got sick and then listen to me and just get sick. Then there's something wrong. And then some reason for 2001 is we sick. Then something was wrong. Then I know what something to do. Listen to me, they understand. Then well, listen to me, the ancient people will get sick as well. Listen to me, so the Ford smoker gets sick. And then something's wrong. And then before listen to me, Angel's pretty sick now today. And I don't know what is going on like before now today. It's good in your analytics for exercising the father to me now today. And someone's in the engines get sick as well. He don't feel so good and then what's wrong and therefore anything with an experience styles. And this is in the kind of final the cool place now today is gonna be get damaged or sick. I damage a sick as well as to me 2001. Did you see anything find out in one of the next possibly get sick?
Nothing like that.
A damage debris could get sick before tornado sirens. This actually be listened to me. I understand we could get going went to America. America and then listen to boy in 2001. Then something was wrong now today is gonna be unexpected striking. It's got scratch on it and then somehow there was something was wrong in there. Got damaged, got sick, and what's going on. Then there's something wrong, and now today is going to be unsick the last time. Then there's something wrong with everything in places. That doesn't feel so good now today. It's gonna be around a much cooler and something's wrong in the car, listen to me. Then possibly but and then saying that class again is to the full understand. 2001 and something's wrong, what is going on, what's happening. And tornado siren he's got is in American. This is not he's gonna be on UK and something's an air red siren and something was wrong, it's pretty got damage. You see what we will find the damage and listen to the possibilities to me back in 2019 or somehow what it doesn't make sense anymore for the Sky News and then what is the possibility with tornado sirens is possibly what looks sad. Then the breeze got damaged, just got sick and then one was getting the pretty wing roll now today. Then it was broken. And so listen to me that before that passed the weather and there were tornado sirens and people got damaged and someone was wrong as well. Listen to me to get when the tornado sirens. I see what easy scale on when this is on pointed. When the sirens is paused now I guess I'll get really sick. And then no one is pretty open to being top now tonight. And something was performed in the next being the final and next April for 2001. for tornado sirens, and listen to the electrical for anything kind of wished. Fire alarm is not please get sick and not get wished.
Yeah.
Then what's going on? Then something was broken and then doesn't work anymore. Then I know what to showcase, and then the callers we can finally get their space.
Yeah, you're probably right there. You're probably right. Yeah. Yeah.
One from the sirens as well as they end up being just being very useful. Then what's going on before you don't listen to me now today? The problem is before the angry people say now today. Well, it's getting louder and louder, and
Yeah.
something's wrong. If please not going to next back or be on scratch on it, then doesn't sound feel so good. Anyway, this is not the breeze that'll be over now today. Then what was that before not today? She's gonna be listening to other places. All the damages if we get 3 seconds would be like what's happening. Do you know what's the for there? Air the next for listen to for all tornado sirens. Air Red Siren UK. Air Red Siren UK does not listen to me for having been disappointed. The UK is does not have any for next to a special Air Red Siren system. Then available half the places we get on the next bit buying things now today. Well, you know listen to me listen to tornado sirens pretty expensive, and then you want to go inside the boxes, and then it's kind of loud as well. Listen to me, like you get the places. Oh no, look sad. And then tornado sirens just breathes the average siren alarm, and listen to this voice is really loud. He's the best thing for the UK, the emergency service. Well, if something's wrong with Papa, so don't listen to me, don't understand what is going on now before, and then I don't know if you can the places now today. So if please listen to me with the places we don't understand now today. This is a pretty old one and actually for tornado sirens. Looks sad. Then
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does.
the past and been away. Then but listen to go past like it was on fire. Then going past the pretty old now today is gonna be unstranging as well the plastic in the places. Then when the fire alarm goes off, we both listen to both places. Then we'll get sick and then probably listen to a pretty get sick.
Yeah.
Fire alarm does not they're not getting sick now. Is if we listen to me when the fire alarm is not easy in the 4 places. Well, it's niggas if not easy to survive, and when the fire alarms got broken, the police got sick, and then it doesn't make it so much. You don't feel so low now today. Then some of us don't want to buy it. Then when the fire alarm goes off, then it's actually for undetectable, and when the fire alarm goes off, down today, you probably listen to what's going on in the next important places. Our tornado sirens get sick and it's also get places. There's something wrong as well with the boss again, and the only had disappointed on TikTok, and then some reason there was a TikTok in the next always page. Then you can see what's happening. There's not this place another place is disappointed now today get sick.
Yeah.
Then we know about it. What's the for? If you like this video, subscribe, and then please listen to me. a very sick thunderbolt with a 100T. A tornado started in Mexico, UK, and so listen to what's going on, what is happening before and after today. Then something was wrong with the poll. Listen to me in other places. Tornado siren is freezes not as big explosion as it possibly can do. It's near 38101 in the sea in the country and set. And you see it. Thunderbolt is really real. This is really old. This is more. Listen to me. The Thunderbolt is really with the 110T, and it's really old. And some reasons when listen to me, tornado sirens, and it's really a good place now today. It's getting sick. Well, this is like for places now today. I think the money broken and then some reason in other places. That was just really loud before tornado sirens. Then it's actually for disappointed and our tornado sirens. Then what's happening on his sick now is smoke. And some reason listen to get places. Open inside a cafe. Bill will listen to the next place reported. They will see he lives in America. When the man was just got sick in there now today, he's pretty got either the point because his 40s he's got ill and listen to something was wrong in the engine oil, and then that went wrong.
Yeah, indeed.
And now it does not feel so good. I think the mommy and the engines got broke, and for some reason this is really sick, and then no one knows what's going on. Is that before what's happening to this? Then we learn about what's the good story about today. And it's really different places. Then there's something wrong with the stop being delicious. A tornado sirens. Not as good as not be afraid. It's gates in the monsters because it's not going to get a pretty wish. And I came to them, no, listen to me, since really is not getting wished. No one is not getting wished. Then there's something completely wrong. The poor tornado siren successful and just pretty got sick. Then, at some reason after the next places, there was a priest with a siren on and phone listen to me now today. Oh yeah, says Paul listening to good places is some pretty very new. He's really strong and I guess getting in before tornado sirens and then pretty got sick. Then both his breathers and that's was pretty old. So tornado sirens he says he had to go to America and Japan, so he pulled this in the four places. And Thunderbolt is the first is the stockist get the places not disappointed. This is Bush's as the first person to move a place off America. This tornado storm is not real for the place is not getting louder and louder. Important and at the moment and some reason the field signal for the Thunderbolt. Hi hello the proposal is next in messenger. Then somehow was trouble. Then pretty got sick. Then what's going on before? Then when the boy listened to the process not getting on board now today. When the tornado sirens get sick and started listening to me last night. So what's going on that before not to get freezer don't get sound get sick. I found to listen to me the TikTok for next to be on this page and listen to what's getting in trouble. Then there's a sick over there. Then someone's breeze got sick now today. And then so listen to for a tornado. And someone the pre went wrong now today. He's not gonna be good now today. Then this is the oldest ever back in 2008, and then the fall is the next to for next to be 8 years old. Then what's going on in the second alligator, and then what's going on. Yeah, basically got sick now today. Then this is tornado sirens is not gonna be good now today. Then back in 2008, something with his priest got full now today. What's happening now first? Not getting active as well. The phone listen to it's not getting sick. A tornado siren is pretty expensive. Tornado siren is in the priest thing it's not going off. And then what's going on before? And then why it's not a tornado. Do you know anyone you think it is? I just got record this button before listen to get like and subscribe before you listen to find out now today. This is the same thing back in TikTok, and some reason Paul listens to me, it gets very sick. So if it's not what's wrong with when the thunderbolt is, then I know what this guy is again is very very sick, and it's not just pretty supportive for petrol for tornado sirens.
Yeah.
And know what's going to be pretty old before tornado sirens. Please know what the crazy for me recording now today. Then hopefully now can start off with that now today. Going to start Spain. Spain is not just go see tornado sirens. And then third, I know what's going on before now today. Is as long as what's this getting place, or for petrols, or for engines, for tornado sirens. Do you know what's going on? Or get sick engines, petrols, or for any next places what's good for tornado siren. Century, just don't listen to what's going on before you get places. It's no back in 2017. And what's wrong inside, which is when someone's blowing up inside a petrol. Then what's going on before with tornado sirens. He got caught in the exhibit of the tobacco. Listen to me, a comment is no what's just getting so damn crazy. 2 years ago, and then for listening 5 years ago, and for the engines we sick now today again unrespectful. And the next before this is for listening to good places. And so what's going on over there for there's sick with siren, and then this is not feel so good. You know listen to all this it's petrol and then what's going on, and what's going on, what's checks on the point of let's find in the comments. An engine is sick with siren is petrol. A petrol is free to got a comment. A comment is not because it's not real now today for today. Then listen to me guys to be a like, subscribe. It's sick but it sounds beautiful, and for some reason it is either for listen to me than for listen to guess. Engine is sick, is siren, is petrol. Do you know what's going on comments? No, you the four next with the go and just got sick. Do you know what is going on? Century next is back in the 2022, and some was one sick again. Then, do you know what's happening like that before? That was just getting unbelievable. Ask for the guy's camera. there was something wrong with me, really pretty sick. Then what's going on? These are the unbelievable added episode now today. Do you know what's going on before? I'm free to go, but past again in a big old piece and not being quiet today. So maybe try to turn the volume up and then don't go over it safe. Then and what's going on before not today? You know what's going on? He's got really got sick. Don't know what's going on. The song is looking on face.
Yeah.
Then you know what's going on at the place is more important. And then so I don't know what's going on at the place is more today, and then do you know what's going on with the century siren now today that today? Yeah, his priest is not again technically as well, he's not in good places. I'm priest is not there for tornado, siren and roadblocks. A roadblock is not his business for this fountain. And then some reason what's going on in the places now today. This tornado siren is getting sick and now today it's gonna be full of damage and experiences. Do you know when to fall off? When the tornado siren. No, when the tornado siren, no, listen to me, eh? When the tornado siren is not getting falling off. Then I know once before tornado sirens, no, this is a good places. Tornado sirens is no other places. Tornado, and as well this is not good for tornado siren. And the Nike's built for 1990 years ago, and some reason for in the next places that's gonna falling off.
Yeah.
And then falling tornado sirens, and then what's going on with her, and then the police are going to now listen to me stop me on London. Then excuses like he got blocked. Some reason for free a little bit past to get away with the place away. The tornado sirens is not is getting not be afraid. And it is that the death was the places now today. Broken siren and they're going off. The broken tornado siren keeps going off. Yeah, we know what this going on for now today. Then if something is like a good apology, then
An apology?
yeah, then what's going on like before is gonna be another fighting it. In TikTok, some people going and that people has been fighting it before past. There's no what is it there because there's the voice now today. Then there's no really good investigation for possible supporters. That was not on UK. In UK before the listen to me understand before the list of foreign places. A tornado siren is really old places and then places are good places. Well, then it's always pretty broken. Well, pause and don't listen to the tornado siren. I know what has been there for tornado sirens. His dog is getting louder and louder. No, I know sure it's not bad when it gets sick. A tornado siren is not good places now today. It's going to be a falling giggle harness. Is no listen to the places. I know what's going on in place now today. And something's wrong on the Thunderbolt, and some reasons for father who placed away. This is old for Thunderbolt is next to 100T. Then inputs of the Thunderbolt 1003. The what's going on with places that they're going to be editor appointed. So do you know what those places? Do you know what's going on at places? No, the places are free to go. It's got scratch on it. Do you know what's going on in places? No, before the tornado sirens. There's no one again not gonna be unfit or something for 2020. He so just got sick and know what's going on to be in that stage. And what's going on except for Thunderball was sick. Then there was a game trouble and so what's going on before now today. Maybe drive something that's gonna drink a beer. That's for the place now. A comments and then the first thing you know is the place to wait away and then some reason they know what's going on in the pool and the falls and then the places then the players need to be over their places. It's just was not easy for places. Then do no coffee, the person go above disappointed. No one has a for add a comment. And then if the person know they're disappointed, someone is disappointed with our opponent and someone is not bringing the video and if you have to pull through. Then do you know what's going on my best before Tornado Sirens? No, before listen to me, Tornado Siren. No, as well, it's back in 2020, and listen to me back in 3 years ago. Then listen to me, this is going to be back in 2 months ago. Then what's going on at the comments, and what's happening again after? There's something wrong with listening to me before that back in 2020, 8 December, and listen to me before before 2020. At 2020, there's no listen for the recording, and there's no tornado start staying indoors. Well, if no listen to the greatest thing is this game got COVID. That's cool. Listen to the tornado siren. I found the boats got sick back in 2020. They don't feel so good anymore. And do you know what's going on? He's not going after anything back off. Well, do you know what's going on? It's a big disaster. All the pictures, engines, and stuff is going on. It's a big disaster now today. I don't know what's going on before the new places now today. So yeah, we knew that by the way we were going to for a tornado sirens. So yeah, thank you so much for the places glad to get any if you find it, please like this video. And do knows my best to know is pretty old. The old Thunderbolt 100T and then hold on, he's pleased to know listen to me and the place is gonna got a scratch on it. Daddy, he's pleased to know listen to me. There's a smiley face. That's a smiley face.
Kind of smiley face,
now today. Oh, that's kind of funny thing now today. I do listen to me and know listen to what's going on before that today. Then the report listened to me like it's placed back in 2001 as well past to get all of the passengers. It's stock experiences. This really the old next episode of this version. No one is no access version. Do you know what is from the places? What committee was it to this? Do you know what's just happening in that before not today? That was a really scary one and that was gonna pretty loud. And then that was pretty loud. There's some reason to me a tornado siren is if it's pretty old and some things are still working and it's still listening to me before and some was due back in 2024 before on TikTok and then some reason there's something wrong and I know the place not disappointed now today. This one's not gonna work now today. Here it comes again now and then what's going on with the possibility it gets and then a tornado siren that just doesn't work anymore properly. Then, and some reason supposed to do is got on TikTok and before they could get sick. I don't know what's going on before on TikTok. A TikTok page is still plastically listening to go on the passengers. And then someone's just gonna rip it off and then so what's this over there before? And he's just got sick now today. Yeah, the other one is gonna have to fall up away. What's going on out before this is getting sick. And then this is for bonus to what's going up before now today. And he's got sick now today. It's a bit frustrating. This is not just doing my best thing now today. And then one person anyway. Oh yes, it's gonna be afraid now this go places. And then I'm not gonna please go to TikTok page. The boy listens to me the tornado sirens is all getting sick now. And then someone's before listening to me now today. And then the process now listening to the places now today. And look at that, it's gonna be unstranging. Someone's falling off now to the guest place. The house's breeze got destroyed when the earthquake and distracting to us. Do you know what's happening? And back in next to borders are only for cars. The house has got destroyed. Something was wrong as for an earthquake. In fact, someone destroyed it in the world. The house is got destroyed, the poor tornado sirens, and then what's wrong with those sirens, and then Papa did not put in the passed away. And what's going on up before in the places before tornado sirens? Do you know what's going on up before now to before the tornado sirens? I don't live for a place that is getting to talk to you.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Actually, to be honest.
Guys,
Yes?
do you know when the better something day something falls for you? Oh, Daddy, you was gonna make a surprise for you. That's why I just got this surprise.
Let's have a look.
No, please. No, wait, please.
What is that?
Please, tornado, sorry, please.
Oh,
No, yes, please.
not another tornado, sorry.
Please, I want that. Hello, no, wait, please, no, please, no. Yeah, yes, no. Please,
Why do we need those?
Please don't.
Why do we need those? We don't get tornadoes.
I need something in this kind of country.
Well, maybe.
You know they're going to make a surprise for you now
Well,
today.
if you move to Mayport, Japan, maybe yes, but we're not planning to do that.
I need tornado sirens
yeah.
of parties to make a surprise for you.
Yeah.
Oh no, please, no. Oh. And the 4 tornado sirens as well past the door to builders of the tree. Oh no. Oh no, please. Yes, I know, but we want to buy all of them tornado sirens. Ha! Do you know do the best, my best? I have no choice but pass it for the tornado sirens. Oh, please, no, please, do something. Please do something. Please, don't. I don't want. Okay. Let's buy best a tornado sirens. Come on. is no my best, Toby. You get this for somebody for figure is. Oh hell no. Do you know what the place is?
That lady just left.
And then
11.
Maybe it's not just gonna be unfreighting. It's now it's getting much it's getting for people trying to buy it.
Was that lady sitting there?
Yeah, where is she?
She went that way.
This way.
She went that way. Yeah.
And Dad, do you know what is getting up before? It's not just getting under before now today.
So the kid, yeah.
Yeah, she's a kid.
She turned right. She went that side of the road.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
this was now today. It's now will be a lunchtime now
Yeah.
today.
How are you?
Daddy,
Yeah.
and Nicole, listen to me. Pastor, get perfect. Listen to me now today.
Yeah.
I want to go that one.
Yeah.
Wait, no!
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
get destroyed.
Yeah.
Please, please, please. Oh, please. Oh, please, 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 please. Yes.
Wait, is that another tornado?
Yes. I want to try to buy it. There's no other places.
We'll buy it in 2027. Yep. Or when you get a job when you're 18.
You better not try to have a job enough you do that. Shut the freak up, you know what it was a job. Be quiet, my mouth looking head.
That's what we get.
Hey, stop
Yeah.
tickling me. I don't want you the last time.
That's what we get.
Do you know what's the new my best for century on tornado siren? Do you know what the siren next to the back in UK?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Yes, when you find out the full air siren, connected with the Plashingtons. Yeah,
Talking loudly. Why are you talking so loudly?
I'm trying to throw plus away.
That's a devious laugh. Devious laugh. Right.
Like and subscribe for use of screen recorders.
Yes.
Buy the tornado siren in 2027. Own it for the fire. Da, 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 da.